Welcome back to another of my inspection video, and it's a beautiful Tuesday morning and I was already having a wild day. So on reaching my office, there was this biker and he was already doing raise and. I'm sorry guys, I missed the best part because I had to jump down from my office to come and observe the ambience of this bike. Just imagine going on a road trip with this bike and your baby's at the back hugging you. Imagination won't kill me, I beg. Alright, at this point, the only person stopping me from getting a bike would be my twin brother because he has safety concerns, but that's his own problem. Damn! Sounds amazing. So, back to business. One of my clients already pulled in with this good looking foreign use Hyundai Elantra 2016 model, and my allergy friends are already checking the car out. These people have very good taste when it comes to cars. I quickly jumped into the car and started doing my thing, going around the car and checking out the car. Starting from the exterior of the car, the exterior of the car looks good, and something about this blue color even made it look more beautiful and stand out. So I went around the exterior of the car and the exterior of the car checked out nicely. There were no scratches on the car, which is what you would expect from a foreign used car. And to the interior of the car, it checked out very nice. The door mats are looking very okay, and the dashboard is very clean, has no cracks on them. Also, the seat upholstery is fabric, very soft fabric, and it looks very good. And the rear entry also checked out nicely as well. So at this point, my phone was already heating up because the weather was hot. I had to take out the casing and also have my colleague rev the car so you guys can hear the sound of the engine, and it sounds just amazing. And the weather was heating up again, so I had to take off my phone casing. I think the last person that went to the other side forget to lock the doors. So another of my client put in with this Toyota Sienna, and just about when I was about to start inspecting, the Corolla man also pulled in, so I had to let my second attend to the Sienna man while I was attending to the Corolla man. So you guys should observe the sound of this engine as the client also rev the engine, and it sounds amazing. Just a little bit of an exhaust leak there. Then after that, let's head over to the exterior of the car, and on going around the exterior, it looks quite okay. Just a little bit of paint that was not done well. I don't think it's not looking that the paint is just there. Probably see some scratches on the exterior of the car. And over to the interior of the car, the door mat has a little bit of wear. The dashboard also has cracks. I mean, it's quite common with Siennas. The dashboard always cracks. The seat upholstery is covered with seat cover, but I checked it is a fabric and just a little bit of wear you find on them. Then the rear seats are also looking okay, just minor wears. Sienna rear seats are always okay because they hardly sit on them, or except those that are using their Siennas for transport. That's where you probably see some cracks and turns on the rear seats. So at this point, I was already on a test drive with the Sienna, and the transmission checked out nice. It changes very smooth. So this particular Corolla video was shot by my colleague. Shout out to him. So he went around the exterior of the car, and something about the black color stands out on this Corolla. It just matches the sporty looks of the car perfectly. And the exterior of the car doesn't look quite bad. The paint also looks okay. You probably find some scratches around it. Then over to the interior of the car, the interior also checks out quite well. The door mats a bit wearing out, the interior also a bit wear on the seat upholstery. The dashboard is also okay. Seat upholstery is fabric. Probably expect that from a 23 model car. Since then, what do you expect? Then over to the rear interior of the car, it looks okay. Just a little bit of wear is on the door mat. The rear seat upholstery looks better than the front ones. It always happens that it's always that way in most cars. So over to the engine of the car, and here the owner give the car a rev, and the engine has a little bit of tappet noise on the top. So if you're looking to get any of this right for yourself, do not forget to DM me directly or head over to ggcars45, and I'll see you in real time. And just about when I was going home, I ran into this amazing Mercedes build, and this car looks quite amazing, very beautiful. So see you guys on my next video. Bye.